Hi guys! To see how I got my curl back in my hair and got my hair softer and healthier in 10 minutes, keep watching. I used to do this treatment when I got a chemical cut and I almost bleached all of my hair off. It was not pretty. And this is a protein treatment. Now, before you guys decide to try this, protein treatments can damage your hair if you use them too often. You only use this once every 6 weeks. So the first thing I did is just wash my hair and not condition, just plain old shampoo and rinse. Then I took the step 1 of FOG and I put it in this spray bottle. I will link all of these products below and where I bought this spray bottle. And then all you do is right on your wet hair, you just take section by section, spray it through your hair. I've already done it, so I'm not gonna do it again. You pull it through your hair, comb it through your whole entire head. Make sure it's completely saturated and it's gonna get sticky. It's almost like you've got honey all over your hands and your hair. So once your hair is completely saturated, you take a blow dryer on medium heat and you dry your hair completely. Do not scrunch it, don't pull it, don't bend it, because I don't know if you can hear this, but I can hear how crunchy my hair is right now. I've already dried it, so it gets like stiff. And just picture like if you were to snap a piece of wood in half. That's how your hair is. It's like really stiff, so you don't want to like crunch it or break it. So I will show you how I finish blow drying. So you can already tell that it's working before I even rinse it out because it created these curls without me scrunching at all. So it's bringing back the bounce and the curl to my hair. And now all I'm gonna do, it's completely dry, like there's no more wetness in my hair at all, and it feels really crunchy. All I'm gonna do is get in the shower now and rinse it with water and use the FOG conditioner and let that soak in my hair for a full 2 minutes and rinse it out, and that is it. Oh my gosh, this is so much better. I will show you what my hair looked like before, and this was just yesterday that I filmed this other video, and you can see in the bang area, it was just totally frizzing. I couldn't get any kind of curl or bend to my hair, and that is because it desperately needed hydration and protein. Even though I am taking the St. Tropica hair growth vitamins and my hair is growing so fast and I'm getting so much new hair growth, you have to remember that even when you're doing that, you still have to take care of the hair that is already grown, because taking vitamins like that isn't going to change what is already on your head. It's only going to improve the new hair growth. So this is a great way to get your hair completely nourished and full of protein and bouncy and healthy again. And then taking those vitamins, it's just going to all be healthy and nothing is going to be breaking off or damaged at the ends. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!